In this video, I will show you how to switch Roblox accounts. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Switching between Roblox accounts can be very convenient and it just saves you having to log out and log into different accounts. To get started, come across roblox.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon, and on this menu you're going to see an option to switch accounts. If you give this a click, it's going to bring up a window like this. As you can see, I've currently only got one account because I've only signed in with one account on this PC, but what you can do from this screen is click onto add account, and then you can log in with another account that you want to switch between. So what I'm going to do is sign in with one of my alternative accounts. After logging in, if I come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon and come back to switch accounts, you will now see I've got the option to switch between different accounts. So that is how to switch accounts on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.